Today we're taking a trip to northern Italy right here in our own backyard. Chef Holly Smith at Cafe Juanita uses her culinary expertise to craft an experience like none other.
I think Holly's the best chef in Seattle.
Definitely recommend coming here for anybody who's looking to get out, have a special night.
People love it. I mean, there's a long list waiting to get in, and that's nice.
No, it's lovely.
Everything that they've had has been simple, but the taste is really amazing.
She's constantly innovating, and the quality of the ingredients always stands out.
It just tastes better. I mean, cooking in season is the most important thing, and trying to get it as close as we can to our back door has always been the goal. For me, I can have ingredients that are very typical of regions that I want to be inspired by.
How do you get inspired to create
I think hunger is
stuff?
usually my
Hunger?
The anticipation of what's coming tends to fuel my creative
with that.
juices.
And actually, that's one of the things that keeps me coming back too. There are things where I won't eat them anywhere else, but I'll eat them here because Holly does such a great job.
We've also been nominated for Outstanding Restaurant in the United States, and that's the one that the chef one I'm like,
Yeah.
But the team that's in this house makes me really proud.